Hello, I greet you all and at the same time welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena and today we will crochet these beautiful barefoot sandals together. You can use regular black flip-flops and tie these decorative sandals onto them. Of course, you can also wear them on your hand to have a complete set. If you make the part for the toe shorter, this one, you can also use it as a hand accessory. Of course, you would also need to shorten the strings so you can tie them there. And I think it would look beautiful as a set on the hand too. This will be a very easy tutorial. Even beginners can manage it. I made mine in black for myself. However, we will crochet them in pink so you can see it better. I found a triangle on Pinterest which I adjusted so it can work as barefoot sandals. We start with a slip knot. Four chain stitches, which we join with a slip stitch. That is a replacement for the magic ring. Again, 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, which replace a double crochet. Now 2 chain stitches. If you want, you can mark the 3rd stitch with a stitch marker. And let's make a double crochet into the center. Again, 2 chain stitches, and another double crochet into the center. The last 2 chain stitches, and now count 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch here. One is a replacement plus 5. Altogether, you have 6. Now into the big space, make another slip stitch. And 3 chain stitches as a replacement for a double crochet. Now 2 double crochets into this large space. And 1 double crochet into the stitch from the previous row. Into the large space, make 3 double crochets. And again, 1 double crochet into the stitch from the previous row. Repeat this until the end. And the last double crochet goes above the replacement from the previous row. Into the third chain of the replacement, make a slip stitch. Now we have the second row. Altogether, there were 24 double crochets, including the replacement. We move to the third row. Make 5 chain stitches. Skip 1 stitch from the previous row and make a single crochet. Again, 5 chain stitches. Skip 1. And in the next space, make 3 double crochets. Now we make this fastening, which is 11 chain stitches. And into the same space, again make 3 double crochets. Again, 5 chain stitches. Into the third space, make a single crochet. Repeat 5 chain stitches. Skip 1 space, and in the next make a single crochet. Again, 5 chain stitches. Into the third space, make 3 double crochets. Now we will make this part, the fastening for the toe, which is 40 chain stitches. Everyone has a different foot size. My foot is size 36, so for me, those 40 chains are enough. Try it on to see if it fits you. And again, into the same space, make 3 double crochets. Then 5 chain stitches. Into the third space, make a single crochet. Again, 5 chain stitches. Skip 1, and in the next space, make a single crochet. 5 chain stitches. Into the third space, again make 3 double crochets. Now, 11 chain stitches. And into the same space, again 3 double crochets. Five chain stitches. And here, make the last single crochet. Now let's make the ties. I made 145 chain stitches for the ties, but everyone has a different ankle size. Still, 145 is quite universal. It should be enough. Try it on. Do the same on the other side. Leave the yarn tail a bit longer. Thread it with a needle from one corner to the other, and tie knots.
Mimi, nemůžeš mi tady takhle skákat.
Make any color variation you want, and I'll be happy if you give me a like if you enjoyed the video. I've also created a new Facebook group, so if you like to create, you can join. Bye.